Did you know you can create image carousel that you can post on Instagram and other social media platforms without learning how to do graphic designs? Yes, gone are the days you have to spend months learning how to become a graphic designer. With AI chatbots, you can be able to create graphical images with just prompts. And that is how I am going to show you in this particular video. My name is Pat. Let's get started. The very first thing I will do is to open Claude. That is what we are going to use for this tutorial. Once I open Claude, the next thing is to connect it to Canva. Okay, so for me to connect this Claude to Canva, I will click on this customize. Once I do that, I'll click on connectors. From these connectors, you will see plus button here where you will browse other connectors, other apps. But you can see my Canva is already connected. So in case if it is not there, just click on this plus button, browse, and you will see different apps that you can connect. You can see we have SEMrush, Minutify, Gmail, Google Drive, see Canva here. And if you are finding it difficult, you can just search from this search box, okay? So once you type, you will see Canva. Now, I've already connected it, so I'll close this, then go back, and here we have our chatbot. So I am going to use this prompt. This prompt says, create 6 Instagram carousel slides about 5 signature Nigeria dishes you must try. So we'll have slide 1, that will be the cover. We'll have slide 2, jollof rice, slide 3, pepper soup, slide 4, egusi soup and fufu. We also have slide 5, suya, and slide 6, moi moi. Okay. Now, in case you don't know how to write prompts, I made a video that teaches how to write AI prompts, and I'll put the link to that video in the description box below. Again, you can see that I didn't mention Canva here, so I'll say create Canva or create with Canva. Once I add create with Canva, it will force Claude not to try to create these images by itself. It will use Canva connector. Okay, now I am done. I will then click on this button for it to create it for me. In case you need this prompt, I'll put it in the description box below. Right now, Claude is trying to create this image carousel for us. And with this, you can be able to post on social media often and on. People will be wondering, what are you doing different? They won't know you are using AI tool to optimize and improve your productivity. So we'll have this jollof rice, pepper soup. You can customize, change whatever you want. Otherwise, if you like it, just click on this generate design. Now Canva and Claude is now trying to create this for us. Voila, we'll have our image carousels here. Look at it, authentic Nigeria dishes. If you click on next, you will see another one, authentic Nigeria dishes. So it depends on what you want. You can just post this image on your Instagram, on your Facebook, or any other social media. So how do you download it? Let's assume this is what I want. I'll just click on it. So you can right click to download it. You can see you can copy this to your Canva, or you just open in Canva so that you will complete the design there. Okay, so I'm using this link to open it in Canva. Boom, here we have it. So you can go ahead to tweak it. Maybe if there is something that you don't like, you can make changes. How do you see this? Let me have your comments in the comment section. What do you think about this suya? Would you like to have a taste? And if you like it, you can go on to share it. Maybe from this share button, you click on download, and you have to download it as image. So we are going to use JPG, and for me, let me just download one page instead of downloading all the pages at the same time. You can just say current page, click on done, then download. It will only download only this first page. I believe you already know how to use Canva. But if you don't know how to use Canva, I make a video on how to use Canva. How cool is this? And that video is popping up now. Please watch and see how to use Canva. Please remember to subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. I will see you on the next one. Bye.